So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. The Cognizant again started hiring for their junior online analyst CM role, uh, which is kind of content related role. So if you have a strong MS Excel skill, passion of digital marketing, and want to build a career in online content management, this is going to be a golden opportunity for you. So in this video, I will be covering the job details, responsibilities, required skill sets, along with how you can apply. So stay tuned till the end to know more about the role. Before we start, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the for the notes for daily job updates, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any opportunity from our end. So let's begin. So the job details is going to be of junior online analyst, and position is as mentioned CM junior analyst, and location is going to be of Bengaluru as you can see on your screen. So the job type is a full-time role. So this is going to be a good chance for you to build a career, and it is work from home and work from office both. I you can expect kind of hybrid role as well. So qualification, they are expecting you to have 0 to 2 years of experience in the particular field, especially digital marketing and content, moderating, content strategy, all these kind of role. So even if you're a fresher and want to build a career in these roles, digital marketing or kind of advertisement related roles, then this is going to be your good chance to build a career. And it is going to be rotational shift, so make sure you are open for that. So Cognizant is basically a global leader in IT and consulting service, and this is an exciting role to enter the world of digital marketing and content management. So responsibilities of this role is going to be something like assisting in developing and assisting as content strategies to enhance online presence and engagement. Plus, you will be analyzing the online marketing metrics and provide data-driven insights. Along with that, you will also utilize MX Excel for data compilation, analysis, and reporting. Plus, you will also be involved into monitoring and evaluating online campaigns for performance improvements. Not just that, you'll also collaborate with cross-functional teams to align online marketing strategies with business objectives. Plus, you will be conducting market research to identify trends and opportunities in the online spaces. Along with that, you'll also be involved into optimizing and managing digital content across various platforms. And you'll be regularly providing the feedbacks and reports on online marketing performance to stakeholders. So, if you're passionate about the digital marketing, data analysis, and content management, this role is going to be a perfect start for you. So, the required skill sets for this particular role is going to be, proficiency in MS Excel, as you can see over your screen, with a strong understanding of content strategy and digital marketing, with very good, excellent communication skills, especially in English, both verbal and written. And you must have the ability to work in the rotational shift model because this role requires you to work in the rotational shift. Plus, you must have the knowledge of online content management and optimization. Basic knowledge is also fine. Plus, you should have the knowledge of market research skills, plus very strong analytical and problem solving skill. So, if you have these skill sets, the job is an excellent opportunity to kickstart your career in online analytical and digital marketing. So you can just go and check it out for the link to apply in the description. I'll be sharing everything in the description. Even I will be sharing the our community link, WhatsApp and Telegram communities where we post 5 to 10 jobs daily. So do join it as soon as possible and apply to this opportunity as soon as possible because the sooner the better. And since this is a highly competitive role, so also try to add some key points like related to digital marketing in your resume. So that it will be easy for you to bypass the ATS system. So this is was all about the role and the benefits of working at Cognizant is known to everyone. You will be getting a career growth, learning opportunity, plus very good salary, and you will get the exposure to work in a global team and industry experts. Plus, you'll also get the opportunity to work on high impact digital marketing projects. So that's it, and they are also told some notice that they have come to know some frauds are going on regarding job. So stay away from any scams of job. Never pay for any job. Try to go on merit. This is all I can say. And at last, I want to say, don't miss this incredible opportunity to work at Cognizant. And if you're looking for to grow in online analytics and digital marketing field, this is going to be a top opportunity for you. And share this video with your friends and colleagues who might be interested in this particular role, and let's help more people landing their dream job. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to our channel for the notes for daily job updates and career tips. And share with your friends. And you can even like the video if you think we are doing a good job for the society. So that's it for this particular video. See you in the next one. All the best with your application.